I tried Etsy's instant digital products side hustle for 30 days. I'm going to show you what products I sold and how much I made because this side hustle is underrated, has low competition. And what's even better, that everything from idea generation to the product itself is done by free AI tools, which means it's going to cost you almost nothing to get this business up and running. You could possibly be making passive money in the next 24 hours, as it takes less than an hour to create and less than 2 hours to set up. So, let's get straight into it and make sure to watch to the end, as I'll be sharing the things I learned throughout this time and if it's really worth doing. I've also been doing print on demand for 120 days for another underrated product, and I will be creating a video on that, so make sure to subscribe as you definitely don't want to miss out. But back to this video, and the digital product I sold was flashcards. Yes, these engaging, fantastic learning tool that matches images with words for kids are your moneymakers, as they don't have that much competition, especially when you sub-niche. For example, searching flashcards on Etsy gives you a lot of competition. However, if you search for flashcards for kids, halves your competition. And if you narrow the search down even further, flashcards for kids education, you can see there is not that much competition. So, armed with this knowledge, we can turn to ChatGPT, our trusted sidekick, and ask it to generate 10 flashcard ideas for kids education. Pick a topic. Then go to Leonardo AI and put in your prompt. A simple method I used to generate my images was to break the prompt into 3 steps: the subject, the style, and the customization. Doing it like this, I got better results. In this example, the subject is the jungle animal, so we use this first in our Leonardo AI prompt. Then the style, and we have many options to choose from, like hand-drawn, Disney cartoons, anime, realistic, and more. But for this example, I'm going to use Disney style, as my target audience is children. Then the customization, and for this example, I'm using white background, which I will be removing later on. Other customization options can be lighting, environment, and mood, etc. If I didn't want to have a white background, I could have put "in the jungle" as my customization. Once we have our images from Leonardo AI, we can go to Canva, a free online graphic design tool, and search flashcards under templates to create our flashcards. If you have the Canva Pro version, you can remove the background by selecting Edit Photo and Remove Background. If you have the free version, then go to a website called Remove BG and remove the background, download it, and then just upload it to Canva. Once we have all our pictures uploaded to Canva, we can start editing the flashcard. Adjust the size of the pictures to make it fit each card and change the word label for each one. You can also change the card's color or choose another font if you like. Now we've created the main flashcard, which has all the pictures and the word combined. We need to create 2 more versions of this. One that just has the pictures and the other just having the words. We can do this by duplicating the page and editing them. If you want, you can add something extra like instructions or a thank you message or even a coloring sheet related to the flashcards. Just use Leonardo AI to help you create one. Once finished, just click on download and download it as a PDF print. And this is what it looks like. Now I know what you have been waiting for the most is, how much did I make on Etsy in 30 days, and this is how much I made. I know it's not earth-shattering money, but I'm okay with the results. Since it was my first time doing it, and the more I listed these products, the better I got with the process, and the faster I could list them. A few things I learned in this process is that giving away some freebies like illustrated cartoon or extra flashcards gave me a little edge over my competition, which increased sales. Doing Etsy ads was a waste of money, as I did not make any extra sales from the Etsy ads. Selling more flashcards in a single listing helped me to charge a higher price than my competitors, which therefore helped me earn more money. So, for example, Selling 60 to 70 flashcards helped me to sell the flashcards at a higher price, where my competitors were selling 10 cards for £2 to £3. I was creating 60 to 70 flashcards for £8 to £9. A template of 6 flashcards on one page sold better for me. I experimented with other templates, for example, 2 flashcards on one page, or 3 flashcards on one page. They didn't sell well. Bundling lots of theme flashcards set me above my competitors, as not many were being sold, and I sold a few. I did study my competition listings, titles, and tags, and the best sellers listings helped me to rank better on Etsy, with some of my listings coming up on the first 2 pages of Etsy, which again definitely helped me to sell more. I hope this video helped. Until next time, stay awesome.